Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing your Samsung phone, update Android, sign into your Google account, and set a secure screen lock so tokens can be stored. Once done, enable NFC in Settings Connections. Open Google Pay and tap Add a Payment Method to begin. This is the first actionable step because the app needs account access and NFC active to provision cards. Make sure your phone has internet so Google can communicate with your bank and download secure credentials. Now add your card. Use the camera or type details manually and confirm the billing address matches what your bank has on file. You'll be asked to verify the card. Banks commonly use SMS codes, email links, or push verification in your banking app. Complete that step to provision the tokenized card. Next, set Google Pay as the default tap and pay app in Settings Connections NFC and contactless payments so your Samsung uses Google Pay instead of any pre-installed wallet. To pay, unlock the phone, hold the back of the device near the terminal where the contactless symbol appears, and wait for the confirmation beep or vibration. You may need to authenticate with fingerprint or PIN. After the transaction, open Google Pay to view the receipt. If it doesn't work, make sure NFC is on and Google Pay is the default tap and pay app. Also update Google Play services, check your bank's verification status, and restart the phone. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.